Welcome to Lexus of Royal Oak. Here we have one of our new units. It is a 2019 RX350 F Sport Series 3 in the atomic silver finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features do include L-shaped premium LED headlamps with the LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, F Sport front grille, front and rear park assist sensors, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, automatic high beam, power liftgate, head-up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, a 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, a 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, QI-compatible wireless smartphone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select with the Sport Plus, which includes the ABS, adaptive variable suspension, center locking differential, panoramic sunroof, power folding rear seats, black interior, rear heated seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.